Kore-Tek, we're helping our customers take care of business at the speed of light. Kore-Tek Frontline Maintenance, or FLM service program, provides on-site field engineering resources on demand to help keep your WAN, fiber, and optical transport network operating smoothly and continuously. Our highly skilled field engineer technicians are located around the country and can be dispatched within 4 hours of an open ticket, so you get the on-site resources you need when you need them. When you purchase the Kore-Tek Frontline Maintenance program, you get the benefit of 4-hour on-site emergency engineering dispatch, response, and remediation of network issues 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Additional EF&I staffing resources when deploying large-scale, multi-site, widely distributed networks. Routine WAN maintenance and operational continuity across distributed networks. Risk mitigation with emergency support from a best-in-class field engineering company with experience deploying and supporting some of North America's most prominent transport communications networks. A superior support team, which works directly with our original equipment manufacturers' technical assistance centers, Kore-Tek Remote Tier 4 engineering team, and the Kore-Tek Network Operations Center for technical guidance, escalation, and remediation. When combining our core care portfolio of managed service products, including frontline maintenance, network operations center, and remote engineering support, you can rest assured that your network is up and running, and there's always a technical escalation team staying one step ahead and keeping the same hours as your transport network, all day, every day. To find out more about Kore-Tek Frontline Maintenance Engineering Services, visit Kore-Tek today.